You'll be surprised.
Oh.
Sinabi. Okay, wait lang. Okay, so
Lionella.
we have winner of a lot of awards tonight. So we have Dianella. Congratulations. Okay, first, before we sit, can you please pose for a photo muna center stage? With your trophy, yes. Which trophy? Kung kaya lahat.
Ganda. Grabe ang tayo nila. Oh,
Ang dami.
Grabe.
Wow.
Ganda yun nila naman yan. Oh.
Forward lang. Ay, baka kaingatan lang. Oh, yes. Okay. Huwag na natin siya ipa-forward ha. Carry na yan. Okay.
Here, please.
Left, center, and right na lang para for...
Yay. Congrats.
Oo nga. Okay, dahan-dahan. Yan. I think okay na. Later na lang ulit without the with trophies. Sige, please. Take your seat dun sa bigger chair. Bigger couch. Okay, so, kasi dami ng awards mo, the people that would want to ask questions for you. First is, excuse me, Alan Policarpio, Philippine Daily Inquirer.
Hi, good evening. Congratulations.
Salamat po. Thank you.
Ayun, so, do you have enough space sa sa shelf mo for all this?
Actually, after po nitong show, may recording ako pag uwi ng bahay. Tapos ito yung maging gasolina ko para mag-stay up all night ng madaling araw. So,
Grabe yung...
So, you've been on a streak, parang ang dami mo napapanalo ng awards recently. And of course, now sa Awit Awards ang dami. So, how do you feel about itong streak na sunod-sunod yung mga panalo mo?
I think ganun ka-faithful si God sa buhay ko. And this award is just a reflection of how great He is in my life. So,
And you also have a lot of commercial success. Yung streaming numbers mo are also massive, but you also have critical acclaim. So, as an artist, parang how do you weigh those two things? Or may mas gusto ka ba?
sobrang... Actually, hinihintay ko tong question na to na magtanong sa akin kasi I think this is the first time na may magtanong sa akin about the critics and all. I think kasi every time po na prayer ko, whenever I am having this success and the negative side as well, every time ang prayer ko is, I wanna be like you, God. I wanna be like Jesus every time. And I think ang daling maging humble pag mahal ka ng lahat, pero mapapractice mo yung pag-humble pag yung iba ayaw sa'yo. So I think that's a perfect way for Jesus to be Jesus in my life. So, yeah.
Right, thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, next question would be from Darla Darla, one of our content creators.
Hello. What up?
Hello.
Hello.
So, first of all, congratulations sa mga awards na
Salamat.
natanggap mo. Now, as a songwriter, I just want to ask, kamusta na yung pag-evolve ng songwriting skills mo? Kasi I watched a video of you on TikTok writing song about singing, yung with JR. So, ang bilis ng paggawa mo. So, yeah, I just wanna know.
To be honest, yung iba kasi sa mga vlog ko, recreation na lang siya ng mga totoong nangyari. Pero kasi, in real life, sobrang tagal ko gumawa ng song. And I'm purposely putting unusual words there kasi feeling ko yun lang yung regalo na pwede kong ibigay sa mga tagapakinig ko na pwede kong isentol. Kasi gusto kong maging genuine na magbigay na regalo to each of us, sa lahat ng nakasuporta. Pero kung gagawin ko yun ng isa-isa, sobrang tagal eh. Feeling ko, i-treat nyo na lang yung mga songs ko as ulam na first time nyo matitikman dahil yung ingredients hindi galing sa Pinas. Parang ganun lang yung metaphor. Pero speaking of evolution ng pagsulat, feeling ko hindi lang as a songwriter but as a human being as well. Kasi marami pang room for improvements at willing ako matuto every time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Next question would be from Zurit Rocha of Philippine Star.
So, congrats po!
Salamat!
And recently, in-announce nyo na i-donate nyo yung sales ng iyong Grace Tour concert. May we ask why you decided to do that?
To be honest, I've done concerts before pero hindi sa Pilipinas at hindi full production, like kung ano mangyayari to sa Manila. So feeling ko yung treat ko as my first ever major concert. And nape-pressure ako nitong mga nakaraan kasi unang beses ko siya mag-concert. Natutunan ako sa dalawang bagay. Yung isa is kung paano ko siya ipupush, si ticket sales, yung concept, yung lahat ng mangyayari versus dun sa message nung gusto kong iparating dun sa concert. Yung title ng concert is The Grace Tour, and I've been dealing with this for a long time. And I guess yung naging devotion ko nung araw na yun ay I guess that's grace. Yung ibig sabihin ng grace to help out, alam mo yun, those in needs. And ayun, right after the concert, lipad kami sa Cebu to repack the goods. So 100% lahat ng sales mapupunta sa typhoon victims. So yeah.
Paano po kayo nagpe-prepare for this first major concert?
Actually, araw-araw kami nagre-rehearse ng mga mga kabanda ko, mga tropa ko dito. And ayan, araw-araw kami nagre-rehearse. Tapos, pasahan ng ideas, and feeling ko yung pinaka-pressure dito is how I'm gonna deliver the message dun sa concert na yun. At hindi ko siya sa-spoil kasi gusto kong maraming masurpresa sa araw na yun. So, yeah.
Yan. Thank you so much to our friends from the media, and thank you so much, Dianella. Please, photo ulit na solo without your awit trophies. On the center stage na lang.
Joey G.
Good evening, everyone. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Narito ang mga finalists for the best performance by a solo artist.
And here are the Performance Awards finalists for Best Performance by a Solo Artist, ATM. Artist, Ice Sigera, record label, ABS-CBN Music. Star Music, I'll Be Somebody You Want. Artist, Joey-Ann. Record label, Sony Music Philippines. Pauwi na ako, dito ka na lang. Artist, Diwata. Record label, Sony Music Philippines. Marilag. Artist, Dianella. Record label, EMI Records Philippines. UMG Philippines Inc. Alas Vista. Artist, Janine Gandhi. Record label, Island Records Philippines. UMG Philippines Inc. Fake Faces. Artist, Record label, Warm Music Philippines. Umaitan. Artist, Noel Cabangon. Record label, Wide Scope Entertainment Corporation.
I think not just artists na nag-emerge right now in this generation, but
For the best
even who
performance
started.
by a solo
My
artist,
question
the awit goes to
Six Faces.
Marilag.
Bro?
By Dianella.
Okay na, okay na.
Thank you po. God is faithful. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to all our winners of the performance.